Hello gaming world, my name is Prosper, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the best VPN for gaming. So if you're a game lover and you are looking forward to a safe and reliable VPN for your gaming, then this video is for you, because I'm going to be sharing with you the most reliable VPN for your gaming. And at the end of this video, I'm going to also be sharing with you the best deal on VPN that you can use for gaming with a special coupon code that you can use to get your gaming VPN at a very reduced price. Okay, so now as you can see here, best VPN for gaming. So these are the things that you might want to. These are some of the features that you might be looking out for. Maybe you're looking forward to hide your IP on Discord and chats, to protect yourself from DDoS attack, to bypass bandwidth throttling, and then this also gives you a money back guarantee. Exactly. So now let's take a look at some of the features of this. So the name of this VPN is actually SurfShark. So that's the name, and these are some of the reasons why you might want to consider them. You can see it has a worldwide matchmaking, DDoS protection, as close to no lag VPN. So this is not one of those VPN that you're going to use and you're going to be experiencing lag. And then high capacity ports, there are no bandwidth limitation. So then single account and unlimited device. So you can use it both on your desktop and on your mobile. And then you can see a multi-tool VPN, split tunneling, obfuscated server. So these are some of the features that SurfShark promises to give you if you are a game lover and you're looking forward to a VPN that you can use for your gaming. So let's look at some of the games that works with this VPN. So we have Warzone, Fortnite, Pokemon, Roblox, Minecraft, League of Legends. So you can see a lot of games here. By the way, let me know which of these games you are playing. Let me know them. Just let me know in the comment section below. So are you playing Destiny 2? Are you playing Rocket League? Are you playing Apex Legends? So let me just know in the comment section below. So these are some of the examples of games that you can really enjoy when you are using this SurfShark VPN. And like I said, I'm going to leave a link to SurfShark where you're going to be getting up to 86% discount on their VPN. Here is a small comparison chart between the SurfShark VPN and other VPNs that you might find online. So you can see in terms of connection, you can connect unlimited number of devices with SurfShark, unlike some others that just give limitation. Some might be 5, some might be 10. And for this, for bandwidth, says as far as your connections, and then for data limits, there is no data limits. Then the server, it has about 3,200 servers across the world, worldwide. So countries 100, customer support, you get 247, live chat and email. Exactly. So they have a great customer support. And then so feature uses when gaming, split tunneling, obfuscation, and static IP. So to enjoy a wonderful gaming experience using one of the best VPN that you can find out there, so just head over to this page. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. So here you can go ahead and choose a plan. You can see it's coming at 86% discount. This is the most popular package that you can choose from. So also, although there is a SurfShark starter and then there is a SurfShark one, but this comes highly recommended because you're also going to be getting some additional features apart from the VPN. You're going to be getting antivirus, alert, and search, and some other benefits. And more importantly, you're also going to be getting a 3 months extra. That's if you're picking the 24 months plan, you're going to be getting a 3 months extra. So once you're on this page, click ahead and get one. You sign up, and then you'll be able to download it and install it either on your mobile phone or on your desktop, and then you start enjoying a wonderful gaming experience using the SurfShark VPN. So guys, I hope you find value in this. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. And if you find value, please give it a thumbs up. If you are yet to subscribe, please click on that subscribe button. And like I said earlier, let me know your favorite game that you are playing using VPN in the comment section below. So thank you very much guys, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye for now.